Hello there, my extremely intelligent, creative, and professional marketing and entrepreneurship students. I wanted to start this video by explaining to you what each of the icons mean under the Classwork tab in our Google Classroom. So throughout the semester, you will have different modules to complete. You can see all topics for your modules in the left-hand menu. Underneath, you may use this navigation tool to switch to modules that you're currently working on. I've used icons to the left of them to try to help you remember where we are in the semester. The first module you will complete is the Welcome or Start Here module. You'll notice that under each module, the first item will be a material post with our learning objective and success criteria. This will be represented by the green check mark. Most often underneath that material, you will see a video that says, "Watch me." The video icon will represent anything that I am linking to outside of our Google Classroom for you to watch. Sometimes you might need to answer questions. Sometimes you might just need to comment that you have completed the video. But this icon is here so you know this is a video that you need to watch. There's nothing else really that you're going to have to do. If you see this icon under any of the modules, it is a person that is speaking. This means that within that module, there is going to be an online Zoom scheduled at some point. This particular online Zoom is one that you can click on and see a direct link to how you can reach me throughout the semester during my virtual classroom hours. All you have to do is click on this link anytime, Tuesday or Thursday from 2 to 4 p.m., and you can directly get connected to me and possibly others that have linked in to ask any sort of questions or have comments about the coursework that we're working on. Last but not least, if you notice, there is an assignment at the bottom of this module with the 100 in front of it. That lets you know that that is a graded project grade based on a rubric. Is it important for you to do all these modules? Absolutely, because each module will set the tone, provide support, and give you access to me before completing the project that will be graded on a numerical scale. So again, the green check mark starts us with our learning objective and success criteria. The video icon connects you to a resource outside of the Google Classroom. The man or woman speaking is a scheduled link to me during the rest of the modules, but here is the link that you can contact me during my office hours. And finally, the 100, because that's what I hope you're going to make on your project, denotes a graded project with a rubric for that particular module. Thank you for watching.